Welcome to Product Critique, the channel where we break down the best tools and gadgets on the market so you can make smarter buying decisions. Today, we're talking about what might just be the best coolant tester antifreeze hydrometer you can get right now. The Coolant Tester Accessory and Battery Hydrometer by JUSTHERE. This compact little device promises to give you accurate readings for both your engine's coolant condition and battery health, whether you're working on a 6 volts, 12 volts, or 24 volts system. Let's start with what makes this product stand out. The dual-scale design is an immediate plus. You get both Fahrenheit and Celsius readings, ranging from -45 degrees to 13 degrees. That means no more converting numbers in your head or struggling to understand freezing points. The clear, easy-to-read dial layout lets you instantly interpret your coolant's condition. It's built to simplify something that used to require guesswork, especially when you're preparing your vehicle for extreme cold. Now let's talk functionality. This tester doesn't just look professional, it performs like it too. It's specifically designed to measure antifreeze concentration and coolant freezing points with precision. When the temperature drops and you need to be sure your engine is safe, this tool gives you peace of mind. One quick test tells you whether your coolant mixture is strong enough to protect the engine from freezing or overheating. That's especially critical in harsh winter climates where one small mistake can lead to expensive repairs. Durability is another major strength. The JUSTHERE coolant tester uses a flexible silicone bulb and hose, combined with a strong polycarbonate body. These materials aren't just there for looks. They mean the tester can withstand frequent use without cracking or leaking. The silicone bulb feels firm yet flexible, making it easy to draw fluid into the tester, while the rigid PC body protects the internal components and keeps readings accurate over time. This combination makes it reliable for both professional mechanics and at-home DIYers. Despite its robust construction, this tester is impressively compact and portable. The hose measures about 5.3 inches by 0.4 inches, the body is around 3.9 by 0.7 inches, and the head width is 1.8 inches. That might sound small, but that's the beauty of it. You can easily carry it in your toolbox, glove compartment, or even your pocket. It's perfect for quick roadside checks or when you're working on multiple vehicles in a shop. The best part is how easy it is to use. You don't need special training or complicated instructions. Just insert the hose into your coolant reservoir, squeeze the bulb to draw up coolant until it reaches the marked line, and watch the dial. The pointer will show the freezing point based on the fluid's condition. That's it, a quick, clean, and accurate reading that lets you know whether your coolant system is in good shape or needs attention. The same process applies when checking battery fluids, whether hot or cold, giving you insight into battery health across different voltage systems. In practical terms, this tester helps prevent two major problems: freezing in winter and overheating in summer. Both are costly, both are preventable, and both are easier to manage with this single tool. It's also a great educational tool for anyone just learning vehicle maintenance, since it visually shows how coolant conditions change with temperature. To sum it up, the Coolant Tester Accessory and Battery Hydrometer by JUSTHERE delivers reliability, accuracy, and convenience in one small package. The dual-scale design makes readings simple, the durable build ensures long life, and the intuitive operation means anyone can use it effectively. Whether you're maintaining your car, motorcycle, or even larger machinery, this is one of those tools that quietly becomes essential in your garage. If you're serious about keeping your vehicle in top shape through every season, this might just be your next must-have gadget. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the link in the description if you want to see more about this product. See you in the next video.